Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust safety settings in Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged in to your Google AI Studio dashboard, on the left hand panel, just click here on chat, and then you'll see these settings on the right hand side. Just go ahead and scroll down until you see this one right here, advanced settings. So click on this down arrow and it will reveal more settings, including the safety settings. So I want you to click here on edit. Okay, and now we can go ahead and change the safety settings. So if I drag this to the right, you'll see right now it was off, but now you can choose. So you block none, okay, or you block a few, block some, or just block most of them, okay? Basically, you're blocking responses that could be harmful in terms of harassment. You can do this for hate as well, okay? Choose and filter it according to what you want. Just adjust it. And once you're happy, you just go ahead and close it. It will automatically save, as you can see right here, okay? And at any time, you can just click on edit and reset the defaults as well. And that is how to adjust safety settings in Google AI Studio.